If you want to customize Google Calendar to fit the way you work, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to change Google Calendar settings quickly and easily so you can adjust everything from your language and region to your view options and notification preferences. This is a simple way to make Calendar feel more organized, more personal, and much easier to use every day. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Calendar in your browser. Once it loads, look for the settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. It usually looks like a small gear, and that's where all of your calendar preferences live. Click that settings icon, then choose settings from the menu. This will take you to the full settings page where you can control different parts of your calendar experience. On the left-hand side, you'll see a sidebar with several sections. This is where you can choose exactly what you want to change. For example, if you want to adjust your basic preferences, click General. If you need to switch your language or region, select Language and Region. If you want to change how your calendar looks on screen, go to View Options. And if you want to manage alerts and reminders, open Notification Settings. Now, once you click into the section you want, you can make your desired changes. You might change how many days are shown in your calendar, how your time zone is displayed, what language the interface uses, or how and when reminders appear. Take your time here and review each option carefully so your calendar is set up exactly the way you like it. The good news is that most Google Calendar changes are saved automatically. So once you make an adjustment, you usually do not need to press a save button. That means you can simply update your settings, move on to the next section if needed, and Google Calendar will keep your preferences in place. If you ever want to come back later and change something again, just repeat these same steps. Open Google Calendar, click the settings gear, go to Settings, and use the left sidebar to find the option you need. It's a quick process once you know where everything is. So now you know how to change Google Calendar settings in just a few clicks. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.